see your boy Beard right now, right? Looking real good. Just stepped out of Hunt's, baby. Yeah, look at my wife. See, she loving it. She digging it. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. As you can see, I'm in a different background scenery. I'm actually outside just on the porch on this rainy day. But this is the day after the MLB trade show in Nashville. I just want to give my thoughts on everything. But before we get into that, we always got to do the, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like the video, dislike the video if you want. Share it, comment, all the good stuff, right? So the show was held this past Sunday, which was May 2nd. It was in Nashville, Tennessee at the Hotel Preston. It was the MLB trade show put on by Major League Barbering and KG, helped out in Nashville, of course. And man, it was my first time. So this is my first time vending. All right, I was a vendor. If you have been following me on Instagram, or if you watched my last video, you would see that I have, y'all can see the logo here, I have my own hair product line that just dropped. I got beard oil, that's the leave-in conditioner, and I also have, give me a second, I'm out here just chilling, right? I also have the beard wash, beard butter. So we got beard butter, wash, conditioner, and the beard oil. And I also have wave products as well. I have a wave grease, which is of course for the starter waves, and then I have a wave lotion, which is for after your waves are kind of in there already. You just need something to kind of keep it moisturized, keep the growth pattern right, and all that good stuff. That's where the wave lotion come in. I'll make a separate video detailing the different products that I have and the more products that I have coming, right? But this show was really just and I got some unboxing, I guess, of some stuff that I bought from the show and the people that I met. So this is just to tell y'all, I'm gonna put some footage through here, but I really just want to let y'all know how it was vending for my very first time. So like I said, it was in Nashville. It was at the Hotel Preston in their, I guess their ballroom, which will be their ballroom, put on by MLB Major League Barbering. KG is part of the team in the Nashville area, which put on this show. They do it every year. This is my first time actually going to the show, and it was my first time actually vending, period, with my own product, all right? First of all, I don't know if y'all can tell through my videos, but I get nervous in crowds, right? Especially stuff like that, because I'm not a salesperson, but I had my wife there. My wife was a huge help. She helped me set up. She helped me with ideas on how to have everything looking from the banner to the table set up and everything, man. She was perfect person to have on my side during this situation, all right? So they set us up. First off, we had a meet and greet the night before, which was also at the hotel, but I met some nice people. I met KG actually not for the first time, but I actually got to talk to KG. I met Erica, the groomist. I'm gonna leave some links and stuff down below, but y'all can follow me on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie, and have everybody names that I'm throwing out there, because yeah. But we had the meet and greet. I got to meet OG Walker at the meet and greet. That was my first time actually meeting him. Cool guy, very humble. You know, he not one of those. I know a lot of people, they see the big barbers and they seem like they don't really want to talk to people, but man, some of these people that I met down here, from Fahim to OG Walker, KG, Erica, Yusuf, like all these people was just some real down to earth people, great people to speak to. I got my hair cut. I'm gonna put that, matter of fact, I'm gonna put it at the beginning, so y'all probably already seen it. But I went to Hunt the Barber down in Nashville on that Saturday, got my beard done. Man, I mean, even in that hour of time sitting with him, I learned a little bit from him. And, you know, I've been talking to him back and forth, but this is my first time actually. I've been to one of his classes, but actually to sit down and get my beard done, got my bald head done by him. That's why I didn't, if y'all watched one of my other videos, I was telling y'all that I wasn't going to get it cut or nothing until I went down there. You know what I'm saying? Because I like how he does things. I look up to Hunt the Barber. There's a few barbers that I look up to that I'm glad that that I'm able to run into, no matter if it's just a 30-second conversation. You make the best of those conversations and learn what you can. But man, we set up Sunday morning. All right, nervous than a mud. All right, got something white on my shirt. Nervous than a mud, right? Just because I haven't done that before. So for me to bring out a new product at a event that, first of all, I've never been to the event, so I don't know how the flow of the event is. But I've been to a few shows, so it was cool. But for me to actually be the one that people coming up to talking to it was crazy in the beginning, because the whole show it started off kind of like, dang, you know, not slow, not like it wasn't packed, but it started at 10 o'clock in the morning. And I'm thinking, man, I ain't gonna sell nothing, man. I ain't gonna sell nothing. I'm just gonna be here all day, which would be fine on one end of it, but you still want to keep that motivation and that encouragement to keep going. So selling stuff would just help for the next step, right? But as the time come along, like I said, it started at 10. By the time 1 o'clock, by the time 12 o'clock hit, we was rocking and rolling. You get what I'm saying? I had some people come from Knoxville, come down to support me. Shout out to Yogi and his wife. Shout out to Miyaka. I hope I'm saying her name, y'all. You get it. I'm gonna leave her link, all that good stuff. But I had some people from Knoxville come down, support your boy, buy some products. And then I had people that never seen my product before, don't know who I am. They came up. I had great conversations with them. I actually talked to Tsunami Butter. He got his own soaps and beard bombs and oils and stuff. Great conversations. He came over and chopped it up with me. I went over there and bought me some soap from him. OG Walker came over to the table. Fahim came over and talked to me. I talked to J1 from Caliber. Man, just being able to be in that environment and talk to everybody. And for people, I mean, I know you at a show, so most people are looking for new products. Most people are walking around to see what they can get next. But for me to be able to be that one that's selling my products, that people are looking at me like, I seen you before, or they just coming over to talk to me and see what I got to offer. But then from the conversation I have with them, they say, give me something. You get what I'm saying? Like, that was a great feeling. So setting up was pretty simple. They had people, so it's like a hallway that led into the ballroom. Excuse me. So you had the ballroom area, but then coming out the ballroom, they also had people lined up in the hallway. So no matter where you were set up at, somebody was gonna see you and someone was gonna stop and talk to you. You know what I'm saying? So you walk through the hallway. I was set up in the actual ballroom right next to Dope Faves of Pearl, which my man, they was very helpful on so many other things. They came over there and talked to me. They came over there and chopped it up with me. He helped me. My guy helped me out with a few things that I can do in the future on my trade show. So, and that's the main thing that this was. It was for me to get out of my comfort zone and jump out there and just do it. But it was also a helpful thing that now I know, because everything is a learning experience for me. Everything is a learning experience. So this would being my first go round, it's letting me know a few things that I can do for the next one. And then hopefully as I go along, I just keep learning and I keep building on my brand. I keep building on my product. I have my products as far as beard oil, balm, the beard wash, and the conditioner. I had wave grease and wave lotion. And I also had 2-6 King Wavies, do-rags, and brushes. You know what I'm saying? So I was able to offer some things to different people that maybe they don't need beard stuff. So they just coming over, hey, you got something for waves. You know what I'm saying? So I had brushes, I had do-rags. And I was able to sell, yes, I was able to sell 2-6 King Wavy, but I was also able to sell my own brand, my own name, Crown. So hopefully that word of mouth spreads and then people come to the Instagram and they start buying from the Instagram. So it was all good, man. I'm just really going through my feelings of this. Maybe this ain't the video for you, maybe it is, but if you have a product, or if you just want to cut, if you want to just cut at a you can at a trade show, you can set up, get your barber chair set up, or just have a chair set up and just set up and cut. You know what I'm saying? If you have been thinking about being a vendor, I think you should do it. If you have a product, if you just want to pass out business cards, if it makes sense to set up at a, just to get the connections going. You get what I'm saying? Or if you just want to pass out business cards, you ain't got to set up, of course. I'm just saying, if you have a product, you thinking about it, I say find you one where the booth, the financial part of the booth, it makes sense, so you can kind of, you know, make it work for you. You get what I'm saying? Because these booths are not free. You're gonna have to pay for these booths. So you go through the steps. You talk to your people and see if it makes sense. You set up. Setting up was fun, man. The whole show was just good. The competitions went down. They had competitions in the middle of the stage. I mean, in the middle of the floor. Then they had competitions on the stage, and then they had just platform artists just cutting. So no matter where you was engulfed in the barber industry. You know what I'm saying? Everybody was out there very humbled and nice and talking, and everybody was cool. Like I said, man, I got to talk to OG, I got to talk to Fahim, I got to talk to Hunt, I got to talk to Barber Cannon, Erica, KG, J1 Deluxe. Man, just the list goes on. And then the people that just came over to the station, I had people, they might have not bought nothing, they came over, whether they was telling me, hey, I just like the branding of it, I like the packaging of it. That was a great thing, to even just have people that might not, because yes, my goal is to sell stuff, but it was just nice to just be in the environment where I could just communicate with everybody. You get what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, this video wasn't really, it was just to really, matter of fact, before I end it, let me show you some stuff that I did get. Speaking of OG Walker, of course, OG was setting up. He set up, so I got me some Red Alert, the Red Alert foam. I got the edge white glass, and then I got some of his coloring for my air compressor, so that's cool. And then I bought a few other things, like I was talking about Tsunami skincare. Got me, man. So my wife sent me over there to buy 1 bar of soap. The man told me you can get 6 for $30. You think I'm gonna pass up 6 for $30? No, I ain't. All right. And then we went over to Diamonds. Of course, some more sharp, some lining spray, another lining spray, and then some antiseptic, the alcoholic haul. And then there was another Renzo. He was over there with Yusuf the barber, the butcher. He was over there with Yusuf. Y'all can see that. It's Renzo color enhancement. So bought a few things. I was trying not to overspend, but when you had something like that, you can't help it but to spend a little bit. You had all the people with the clippers and stuff. If y'all follow my YouTube channel, y'all know I do clipper reviews, so I try to stay up to date on clippers and stuff, so I had a lot of them. But all in all, man, it was a great experience. It's my first time vending. If you've been thinking about it, go for it. If you got any questions, hit me up on the DM at Cuts by Reggie on Instagram. We can chop it up. The next one that I'll probably be at is here in Knoxville, so I'll be there this year. Maybe we'll see how that goes, but man, it was a good experience, man. So yeah, that's my first time. I didn't really know how to, I was gonna do a blog. I don't know how to a vlog. I don't know how to really vlog. I'm not walking around with the camera type just yet. We working on it. But man, it was fun, man. The MLB trade show. I will be back next year for sure. Hopefully with something more, something bigger, man. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, hit the thumbs down, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back with something else soon. Real soon. I promise. And look at the rain. Look at all the, you're not gonna see where I stay. All right, we out. Peace.